Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to be doing this simple rose gold look that I wanted to do. I wanted to use LABRONZE one more time because I absolutely love this eyeshadow color and I am obsessed. But I wanted to do something way more simple than the last video because the last one it was a little bit more smoky, a little bit more brushes, and this one is more simple. And yeah, I absolutely love the way that this turned out. It's super simple, it's easy, glowy, and yeah, I hope you guys are excited. I found my light, I kind of got it back together. I'm just at the wall right now. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Be sure to like this video, subscribe down below, and hit the post notification bell to get a notification whenever I upload. And yeah, let's get started. Well, today we are back. Happy New Year. It is the new year today. It is crazy. We are in 2018. No lo puedo creer. Today, what I thought we could do is we are going to try to do a quick and easy bronzy look for the new year, and this is like an everyday bronzy makeup look. So I'm going to try to get through this really quick because I don't want this to be a super long video. So like usual, we're going to prime our eyelids with soft ochre. I'm going to prime our eyelids with soft ochre paste. So now we're going to move on with our eyeshadow. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this broken ass shadow right here from the Shaanxo palette, and then I'm going to slowly mix a little bit of this color too. And again, we did not set our eyelids. We're still testing out this layering, but it's fine. I'm gonna take Noche and Freckles from Colourpop, and I'm just gonna keep this in a circular motion. And then I'm just gonna use my I'm gonna use the NYX primer, the pigment primer. Put this all over the lid. Shade, I'm just gonna use LABRONZE once more. So yeah, so I'm just gonna quickly do the same thing on the other eye, and I'm going to be using my Tarteist Lash Pink Mascara as well as the Lily Lashes in the style Muse. Alrighty, so the eyes are pretty much done, so I'm just going to quickly run through the face and then we will come back for bronzing, contouring, and all the fun stuff. So now that we have finished pretty much the entire face, let's move on to a bronzer, and I'm going to be using the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. I'm sorry that my hair looks like a mess today. It'll forever look like this. And then I'm going to take the number 3 brush, which is more of a tapered brush. So going back with the pencil brush, I'm just going to take Noche and Freckles. I'm going to take Freckles and I'm just going to blend. I'm going to just use, I'm just going to use the same mascara on the lower lash line. Highlighter today, we're going to be using the Jeffree Star and Manny Uranus. So pretty. Okay. Do you see this glow? For lip combination, today we're going to be using Colourpop and Alexis Ren Ultra Satin Lip shade Bare Necessities with 951 lip liner from Colourpop as well. Just gonna go back in with the lip liner and blend it a little bit more. I almost forgot the inner corners. I'm just going to use the little 9 brush. I'm going to use this highlighter shade. And then last but not least, we're just going to use the Morphe setting spray to set the face. Alrighty guys, so here is the rose gold simple everyday makeup look that I thought we could use the Artist Couture LABRONZE shade again, just because some of us don't want to go as dramatic as the last video. So I just pretty much did this one for it's a little bit more rose gold. It's more simple, super easy to recreate. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great and wonderful start to your year. 2018 is going to be amazing. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one.